I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to remove a Toyota Tundra front bumper, step by step. Before you begin, ensure you have a complete socket set, including 10mm, 12mm, 14mm, and 17mm sockets, along with a ratchet and a plastic pry tool. Safety is paramount, so please wear appropriate protective gear. Start by opening your truck's hood to gain easy access to the upper bolts and wiring harnesses. This initial preparation will make the subsequent steps much smoother and more efficient. Next, we'll focus on disconnecting the electrical components and removing trim. Begin by unplugging the fog light wiring harnesses, typically one on each side of the bumper. If your Tundra has parking sensors, locate and disconnect their wiring as well. Using your trim removal tool, carefully remove the plastic clips and screws that secure the inner fender liners. These liners often overlap with the bumper, so detaching them provides necessary access. Take your time to avoid damaging any plastic components. Now let's tackle the main fasteners holding the bumper in place. You'll typically find 4 10mm bolts across the top, accessible once the hood is open. Move underneath the truck to remove 3 to 5 10mm bolts along the bumper's lower edge. Next, use a 17mm socket to remove the 2 bolts securing each tow hook. Finally, locate the 4 14mm nuts, 2 on each side, that attach the bumper to the main frame mounts. Keep all hardware organized for reinstallation. With all fasteners removed, it's time for the final detachment. Before pulling, perform a thorough double check to ensure every bolt, clip, and electrical connection is disconnected. This prevents accidental damage. Enlist the help of a friend, as the bumper can be heavy and awkward. Carefully pull the bumper straight away from the vehicle, ensuring it clears the headlights and fender edges. Once removed, place your bumper in a secure, clean location to protect it from scratches or dents until you are ready to reinstall it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.